Take a ride in the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.